Good morning, dear student. This is a grammar class. Our today we are going to learn the remaining part of 13th lesson. Our lesson name is present participles. Okay, dear students, look here. Today we are going to learn one question related with present participles. Okay, rewrite the following sentences, removing the gerunds. Okay, we know that what is meant by the gerunds. Okay, a verb with ing form and used as a noun that is called gerunds. We know that म्हणजे क्रियापदाला ing फॉर्म लागलेला असतं आणि ते कर्ता म्हणून ज्यावेळेस आपण वापरतो तर त्यावेळेस तर आपण gerunds म्हणतो हे आपण पाहिलेले. ओके, we want to removing gerunds. We want to remove gerunds. Okay, first question is here. Questioning is far easier than answering. Look here, questioning is used as a gerund. हे questioning हे काय gerunds म्हणून वापरलेले आपल्याला gerunds remove करायचं. ओके, now look here, we can write this to question as a verb. Okay, questioning, this one is noun as a used as a noun and we want to remove the gerund, so we use here as a verb. To question is far easier than to answer. Okay, look here, also it is gerund. आपण काय केलेले या ing काढून verb मध्ये कन्वर्ट केले gerund ला आणि खाली सुद्धा हे केलेले verb convert. To question is far easier than to answer. Full stop. In this way we can convert gerund into verb. Now the second sentence is here. There are many favors that can be won if you are skilled at flattering. Look here, flattering is a gerund. Okay, we want to remove that gerund. Okay, look here. There are many favors that can be won. That can be won if you are able to flatter. Look here, we use here to flatter as a verb. We remove the gerund. Okay, ing. We remove that gerund. Okay, to flatter skillfully. In this way, we can convert gerund into verb form. Okay, अशा पद्धतीने आपण gerund ला verb मध्ये convert करू शकतो. Now the third one is reading is a good hobby. Look here, reading is a good hobby. Reading used as a gerund in this sentence. Okay, we want to remove the gerund, so we convert this reading into verb. To read is a good hobby. To read is a good hobby. In this way, we convert the gerund into verb. Okay, now the fourth one is here. Look here, a miser loves holding gold more than spending it. Look here, spending it. Holding, look here, holding and spending, these are the gerunds. We want to remove that gerund, so we can write here, a miser loves to hold gold more than to spend it. Look here, we use here verb form. We remove the gerund form and we use as a verb. A miser loves to hold gold more than to spend it. Okay, now the fifth one. You must never quit trying. You must never quit trying. In this example, okay, trying is a gerund. We want to convert that gerund. Okay, remove that gerund and we want to use the appropriate verb form. You must never leave the knack to try. Look here, we remove here that gerund. Okay, आपण हे gerund trying आहे ते remove केलेले आहे and we use here as a verb to try. You must never leave the knack to try. Okay, now the last one. Every smoker knows that smoking is injurious to his health. Okay, in this example, smoking used as a gerund. In this example, we want to remove this gerund. Okay, every smoker knows that to smoke. Look here, we remove here gerund, ing form remove. Okay, to smoke, we convert that gerund into verb. To smoke is injurious to his health. In this way, we can easily remove the gerunds to main verb. Okay, we can convert the gerund into main verb. The remaining part of this lesson we will see in next video. Thank you.